a free indicator brought to you by Myforex. Today, we'll take a look at the sharp rise or drop indicator, an indicator that alerts you of sudden price movements. Get notified of sudden changes in price even when you're away from your chart. It's useful for following trends and detecting rebounds. By adjusting the price range and the time used to detect price movements, you can customize this indicator to support different volatilities or trade styles. If you have a symbol with lots of movements and don't wish to receive multiple notifications, you can disable that notification feature for a certain amount of time after the last price movement. One last thing, the sharp rise or drop arrow will only be displayed once per candlestick. Even if there are multiple movements within a single candlestick, only the first one will be displayed. If you wish to check the data more thoroughly, use a shorter time frame. That's it for the sharp rise or drop indicator. Please refer to the user manual for more details. We hope that this tool will help you in your daily trades.